Apple, Samsung reach settlement in patent case 0 June 27, 2018. Vivo's X21 features an underscreen fingerprint scanner 104 June 25, 2018. Vivo NEX unboxing. You've never seen a phone like this. 354 June 24, 2018. Pixel 2 versus OnePlus 6. Which one should you get? 339 June 21, 2018. Instagram debuts IGTV 308 June 20, 2018. Apple refreshes photos with new search sharing features. 215 June 19, 2018. Oppo's R15 Pro is a notch-tastic Android deal. 137 June 19, 2018. HTC U12 Plus is unique but not for the masses. 235 June 18, 2018.